Happy Thanksgiving, folks. Captain Schultz here, Twist Palm Schultz Adventures. Out here at Clearwater Harbor Marina, docked up on my way down to Florida Keys. Nice balmy morning, a little foggy. I'm out here. I decided I was going to throw a little bit of cut bait out here. I caught a grouper here the other day, nice small grouper. So what I'm trying to do is pick up something a little bit bigger. There's a lot of boats out here trolling this morning, so I believe with the way the tide's falling and everything, I think we're going to do pretty good. So thanks for watching. Getting bit right there or something. Been catching a lot of nice sea bass, a lot of squirrel fish off of this dock. We decided to port here for a few days, let the weather clear, and then we're going on down to Venice. Probably do a couple fishing trips down there, hang out, then we're headed to Marco Island. But it's absolutely beautiful down here in the harbor. I don't know if you can see all the boats, but a lot of people out today for Thanksgiving morning, surprisingly. I figured it'd be dead, but a whole bunch of people out here riding around, fishing. Not quite as busy as it was yesterday, but all is well. Here we go. Step on something else. Probably another squirrel. Seems small. Fighting me just a little bit from this current. Yeah. Alright, I need more bait. Thank you, buddy. Today. Oh, there we go. It's a good little sea bass. That's almost keeper size there, almost 10 inches. That one right there would be a good dinner. We're gonna throw them back though. Clearwater Harbor. That's the pass, the South Pass. Go all the way up through here, out to the North Pass. There's the Salty Adventures, the marina we're staying in. They're building a nice roller coaster over there. Out here fishing the docks, just hanging out Thanksgiving Day. Clearwater Harbor Marina, Clearwater, Florida. Absolutely beautiful. A little overcast, but very warm today. Pirates in the Bay. Happy Thanksgiving, baby! Cooking Thanksgiving dinner on the boat. Got us some chicken thighs, or breasts. Got the mashed potatoes and gravy cooking inside. Cranberry sauce.
Homemade cranberry sauce.
Living large.